Hey everyone, welcome back to Whiskey Racing. Today we're going to be going over this lunchbox set for the film Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Obviously it's got the film logo on the front and the dart, which is kind of the star of the movie. It's got some racing stickers on it. So we're going to open this up, see what kind of goodies you get with this, and talk about the film a little bit. Obviously it's called Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. It is the first feature-length film ever done by Anthony Natoli. He's a musician, but he had a vision for a film, and this is the end result of that vision. Cool thing about the movie, and you'd probably never guess unless you saw it at the end credits or you watch this video and find out, it was shot entirely with an iPhone. Anywhere from a 5 to a 12S. He kind of had this vision for this movie, and as phone camera technology progressed, it kind of gave him the avenue to pursue that without spending a bunch of money on it. But the cinematography on this is fantastic, especially when you find out it was done with an iPhone. Obviously, it's a car movie, it's a drag racing movie, it's a bracket racing movie. But more than that, it's an underdog story, so you don't have to be a car guy to get this movie. I enjoy the movie, I'm a car guy. It's just sort of a bonus, especially the bracket racing part, because I've never seen that put on film before. But if you're not a car guy, or your family's not into cars, but they're still gonna enjoy this movie just because it's the classic underdog story. Two brothers, they don't have much, they inherit this old dart that's falling apart, and they go to the track and they go bracket racing. And the movie's about the struggles they have along the way, both on the track, in their lives, with other people in their lives, and all the adversity they face along the way. So it's that classic underdog story that's set as a car movie. But it's done very well. Anthony's a drag racer. He grew up drag racing. His dad drag raced. His dad actually owns South Mountain Raceway here in Boiling Springs, Pennsylvania, which is cool to me because I live like 7 miles from there. A good part of the movie was shot there. So it's cool to see your local track actually in a movie. So good stuff. Anyway, I really recommend checking it out. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. All right, so we got this opened up here. We're just gonna start unpacking it and see what all you get. You got some sort of little bag there. Mini movie poster with some of the different awards it won and was nominated for. I believe it's been nominated for over 20 awards at various film festivals throughout the world. And you get a custom shop rag with Sunday, Sunday, Sunday logo on it. You get a pen for the film, a couple decals, a candle. This is like a racetrack scented candle. My wife says it smells awesome. I'm getting over a cold, so I really can't tell you what it smells like, but we're going to take her word for it that it smells good. And finally, you get a copy of the film, which is kind of cool. It's on a USB drive with a key tag. So you just put that into any USB port, whether it's on your computer or your TV or whatever. So there's 3 things on here. There's the actual film, there's the behind the scenes, like kind of a making of it, and then the original audio for the film, which was all done by Anthony Natoli as well as on there. So that's what you get out of the box set. All the money raised from this is going towards making a sequel for this. So there's a couple different places you can get more info on this film. You can go to their Facebook page, which is Sunday, Sunday, Sunday Film. Their website, www.sundaysundaySundayFilm.com. Or on their YouTube channel, which is Anthony's YouTube channel. It's just Anthony Natoli. Anthony and then Natoli, N-A-T-O-L-I. He has some trailers and some clips from the film up there as well. If you go to the website, they have all kinds of stuff on there. You can purchase the film there. You can purchase movie posters there. You can purchase shirts, this is a shirt from them from their site. It's got the logo on the back. They have jackets, beanies, hats, patches, posters, flags, all kinds of cool stuff. So go check them out, and I hope you enjoy the movie. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And maybe I'll see you at the track next year.